Standard 12 Chemistry Unit 12 Aldehyde, Ketone and Carboxylic Acid Part 11. Here we discuss about oxidation of aldehyde. Oxidation of aldehyde is carried out in presence of oxidizing agent like nitric acid, potassium permanganate KMnO4, potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 and the another mild reagents like Fehling reagents and the Tollen reagent. Aldehyde is oxidized, it is converted to carboxylic acid and for the oxidation of ketone, the vigorous conditions are required like strong oxidizing agent or the higher temperature is required. Here, how will you distinguish aldehyde and ketone? To distinguish aldehyde and ketone, there are two tests. Number one is Tollen test and number two, that is Fehling test. This is very most important for 2 marks for theory and as well as for the practical also. For the Tollen test, here the Tollen reagent is act as oxidizing reagent. For the preparation of Tollen reagent, in a dry test tube, silver nitrate solution is added. In a silver nitrate solution, sodium hydroxide solution will added and the brown PPTS will obtain. Here in the next step, dropwise addition of ammonium hydroxide solution, brown PPTS will be dissolved and the clear solution will obtain. And this clear solution will be our Tollen's reagent, and its name will be ammonical silver nitrate solution. In a second dry test tube, it must be dry test tube, aldehyde and the Tollen's reagent will be added as a oxidizing reagent in the heating. Inside it, the surface of the test tube, bright silver is produced, and that will be confirmed. Bright silver is produced inside the surface of test tube of the bottom or side surface. That will be confirmed aldehyde is present. And the reactions is carried out here. The aldehyde ammonical silver nitrate solution, which is mild oxidizing agent, or this Tollen's reagent. The reaction is carried out in basic medium, or here this heating. Aldehyde will be converted to carboxylate ion, and it will be oxidized. Silver is produced inside the surface of the test tube, and some amount of water is produced, and the ammonia gas is evolved. Here say 2, this 2, here 3, and 4. And this is the reaction is 1 marks for the Tollen's test. And this test is for the both aliphatic aldehyde and the aromatic aldehyde. Okay, this for aliphatic and the aromatic aldehyde. Here in this case bright silver is produced, so it is named as silver mirror test also. silver mirror test or Tollen's test. Now the second test is very most important, that is Fehling test. Here in Fehling test, Fehling solution A, Fehling A, that is copper sulfate solution CuSO4, and the another Fehling solution B, that is potassium sodium tartrate C4H4O6 tetrahydrate, sodium, potassium, tartrate, tetrahydrate, or it is named as Rochelle salt. In a dry test tube, equal amount of Fehling A and B is mixed, and then in another test tube, the Fehling or Fehling A plus B is added into the organic compound. If and then heating, if there is reddish brown PPTS will obtain, that will be confirmed aldehyde is present, and this test is only for the aliphatic aldehyde is very most important. Fehling test is only applicable for the aliphatic aldehyde, is not for the aromatic aldehyde. Okay, if there is no reddish brown PPTS is obtained, or silver is produced inside the test tube, that means ketone is present. Okay, or if there is silver is produced, that will be confirmed aldehyde is present. Here the reactions is aldehyde, CO2 plus, OH minus, heating, this will be converted to carboxylate and is aliphatic aldehyde. So carboxylate ion. Here the addition of oxygen, so it will be oxidized, and the reddish brown PPTS is obtained. Is a cuprous oxide, reddish brown PPTS, and the some amount of water is produced. Here the oxidation of copper ion CO2 plus, it is plus 2, and here the oxidation number of Cu is plus 1, so this will be reduced because the oxidation number is decreases. So here the reduction process is carried out, and here the oxidation process is carried out. Okay. 5, here C2 square 3 H2, and